Hello, pañeros. Hope everyone is having a good day. But first, before we begin with my video today, let me ask if you have subscribed to my channel. And if you have, thank you so much for the support. While watching this video, please click the like button, make a comment if you wish, and also click the bell button on the lower side, right side of your screen to keep you notified whenever I have new posted video. So, let's get on with it and get started. On this set of photo, I have used my Canon 60D. I have been using this for over 10 years now, I believe, and it's very been useful to my travel around Europe, Asia, and in Hong Kong as well. So I have been having a great time using this because it's very convenient to use and very easy to handle. They also have a flip over screen at the back, so it's very easy to monitor your settings. See, and all these adjustment can easily be done. But the problem with the 60D is not it doesn't have a touch screen like the 90D that I have purchased recently. Since then, I've loved using my 90D because of its very convenient to use. So for now, I'll probably be getting this 60D to my daughter, so she can use it in her career as an architect. Alright, so, and this one is my new one, which is the 90D. I have recently purchased. Very nice camera, very useful, very reliable, and very functional, especially for vlogging and then for wildlife photography. I'm also, and then on these two cameras, I have already used my Canon 100 to 400 millimeter lens Mark II. I purchased this about a month ago, and I have been using this ever since for my wildlife photography as well as nature photography and portraits as well as landscaping photograph. So it's been very useful and very nice to use, convenient, easy to handle, a little bit heavy, but it's okay. So anyway, so for my photography, on this set of photo that I'm going to post later on, I have used my Canon 60D as well, and my new Canon 90D body. And both of them I have used the EF mount Canon lens 100 to 400mm Mark II lens, so that you can compare the two sets of photos that I have taken between them in terms of sharpness, color, and composition. I would normally use aperture priority for my wildlife and insects shooting, though sometimes I will change it into time value or TV for sure. On the AV setting, I would sometimes put my ISO onto auto whenever there's enough light around. Otherwise, I will set my ISO between 100 to 1000 or more. And my f-stop is between 5.6 to f8. My shutter speed depends on how fast my subject moves. So pañeros, please watch the entire collection and make comments if you have a much better suggestion to make my training even better. So I'm just a beginner and I'm not a professional, so I'm just an amateur photographer trying to improve my technique. So if you can suggest anything that will make me even better in my shooting technique and composition, please do so by jotting down comments below. And thanks for watching, and thanks for the support, and God bless everyone. Okay, ciao for now.